Don't kill your wife.
It's driving in Jamaica.
Welcome everyone.
Thanks for tuning in, and a special thank you to all of our current subscribers out there. You are awesome. We appreciate your support, that you are watching our videos, and we are very happy that the information we are providing in our videos is helpful to you.
And if you're new to our channel, thank you for watching. We hope that you will enjoy this video and become a subscriber too.
And in this video we are actually leaving our Airbnb here in Port Antonio, which is in the parish of Portland, and we are heading to our last location in Jamaica, which is an Airbnb in Hope Bay. You got everything?
Yep, let's go.
Let's go. We're leaving.
Well, I have a little surprise for you.
Oh, what is that?
We are actually going to a falls. Do you want to guess which one it is?
I don't know. Which falls?
So, we are actually going to Somerset Falls, which is actually not too far from our location.
Oh, okay. So how far do we have to drive?
There is no driving. No
What?
driving at all.
What?
Yeah. I know you're so tired of driving right now, but there is no driving. I just wanted to make this very easy for you. There is no driving. Based on my research, I think it's a bit similar to Wyeth's Falls, but you know, we shall see.
I must say, I have the feeling that since we drove out of Port Antonio, that the roads are getting way better.
I see the difference too, massive difference since we drove out. So I think it might be smooth sailing going forward from here. What do you
I hope
think?
so.
Just arrived in Hope Bay. The road to get to this location is a bit rocky, so I have to direct Nick to get here.
It's driving in Jamaica.
Don't run over me. Don't kill your wife. He's leaving me in the bushes.
I think we made it, and we have an ocean view, it seems. We have just checked in at our last Airbnb/guest house here in Hope Bay, which is also located in the parish of Portland. And the sweet thing is, it's really a walking distance to Somerset Falls, so I don't have to drive for the next 3 nights.
Distance from Port Antonio to Hope Bay was roughly around 20 to 30 minutes. So relatively short, yeah.
Relatively short, and that means that video is also a little bit shorter than we thought it would be.
Yeah.
But I think we have one more question for you out there watching this.
Yeah, we're curious to know, what is your favorite Jamaica vlog that we have created so far? Please let us know in the comment section below.
And don't worry, there's a few more coming, so get ready in the next video when we're going to Somerset Falls. Get ready to get wet with us one more time here in Jamaica. Yeah, I think that's it for today.
Until then,
Until then,
Auf Wiedersehen.
See you soon. Later.